Okay. I posed him. I don't know what that was. He's a little ballerina, I guess. Critter corner on these little guys. Mom said, "Can you do a few critter corners?" I'm like, "Oh, I will do so many because there's so many friends for you to meet." Okay. This little guy is my most favorite because he's my favorite colors. He's got a bunch of different colors in him. I just noticed. He kind of looks like he's blue and purple, but he's got green and all different colors in him. Very cute. Then we have this little guy. He looks like he's orange and pink. Got a little color shift going on. Very cute. And then we got some turtles. Did I show you these guys? Probably not. They also fell victim to power going out. They're still cute though. And Mom's getting a new battery, so hopefully we will stop having so many little happy accidents, as she calls them. And these are the fish tanks. I think I'll do just one more critter corner just to show this off properly.